Hello everyone, I'm going to continue about the final updates of Final Cut Pro X 10.5, which is very nice. This is the tool or the feature that I really need. It is about creating square or vertical versions of a project in Final Cut Pro X. As you know, we have so many platforms to be uploaded, like we have YouTube Shorts. Mostly I will use for the YouTube Shorts, and then the IGTV, the Instagram TV. And this is really nice because you can create as well as the aspect ratios exactly like the one that you need. Okay, it can be horizontal, it can be vertical, okay, with different ratios, and this is really good. I'm going to continue with the simple tutorial about making this, about creating this IGTV and YouTube Shorts with square form of your video. So don't forget, we have this one, Smart Confirm. This is the one that will really helpful for us to quickly create a square or vertical versions or horizontal, and it's going to detect your face. So stay on. I'm going to continue to record the video of creating this simple tutorial. Stay tuned, friends.